I just want to show you guys my pallet compost bins that I made. I found 7 free pallets, and I don't like to spend any money on gardening things. I like to find everything free and be conservative. You don't have to spend a lot of money to garden, and I can show you lots of tips and tricks in those areas. So these are 7 pallets that I found. I just put them together with rope right now, or adjustable zip ties also work really well. Simple and easy, anybody can do it. And in every fall or throughout the whole year, I fill up the bins with leaves. If I trim my bushes, I put all those clippings in here, and grass clippings and fruits and vegetable scraps from inside, and I get these as full as I possibly can before winter hits. So this is a look there, and what that'll do, you can work hard if you want to. You can turn this, you can water it, turn it, aerate it, and worry about your mix of greens and browns, or I just kind of let it sit. I don't like to work harder than I have to. I have 3 kids and a family, so what I do is I just fill this up every fall as high as I can. I can open one of the sides, either side, just because I have it put together with the rope or adjustable zip ties is another reason I use those. And then in the summer, next summer, all this will turn into black compost, especially in the middle. Now, of course, if you turn it and aerate it, regularly, then it's gonna go faster. But I found that after a year, the whole middle of this and the bottom half is gonna be all black compost. And if you're interested, and if you want to like this video or make a comment, I can do another video and I'll show you an example of what I got out of here this year. A lot of it I spread out onto my gardens. So in the fall, I spread the compost out on here, and that's the only fertilizer I ever use. But I also sift this and use it for seed starting. So I sift it on a screen into a wheelbarrow, and I use the sifted compost for my seed starting. And if you want to see what that looks like, leave a comment below, like this video, and I will show you how easy it can be. Thanks. Follow along on DoNotDisturbGardening.com for more articles and information.